Welcome to INW Club. In today's video, we will discuss the top large cap funds that have outperformed fixed deposit returns in the last year. So, let's dive in and explore the best performing large cap mutual funds in the past year. Top performing large cap mutual fund in 1 year, May 2023. As of May 2023, and the data available on the Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI, website, we found a select few large cap funds that have managed to outperform fixed deposit returns by a significant margin. The top 5 large cap funds are as follows. Number 1, Nippon India Large Cap Fund. Number 2, HDFC Top 100 Fund. Number 3, SBI Bluechip Fund. Number 4, DSP Top 100 Equity Fund. Number 5, Edelweiss Large Cap Fund. Let's see the details. First on our list is the Nippon India Large Cap Fund. The direct plan of this fund has provided a return of 15.17% in 1 year, while the regular plan has yielded a return of 14.21%. This scheme tracks the S&P BSE 100 Total Return Index, which has given a return of 6.3% during the same period. Next, we have the HDFC Top 100 Fund. Its direct plan has generated a return of 12.27% in 1 year, while the regular plan has yielded a return of 11.59%. The fund tracks the Nifty 100 Total Return Index, which has provided a return of 4.15% in the past year. Moving on, we have the SBI Bluechip Fund, which has delivered a return of 10.39% under its direct plan and a return of 9.61% under the regular plan in the last year. This fund also tracks the S&P BSE 100 Total Return Index, with a return of 6.3% during the same period. Next, the direct plan of DSP Top 100 Equity Fund has given a return of 10.17%, while the regular plan has given a return of 9.30% in 1 year. Lastly, the direct plan of Edelweiss Large Cap Fund has given a return of 10.85%, while the regular plan has given a return of 9.3% in 1 year. Lastly, the direct plan of Edelweiss Large Cap Fund has given a return of 10.85%, while the regular plan has given a return of 9.3% in 1 year. Let's summarize. Top 5 performing large cap mutual fund in 1 year, May 2023, as follows: Nippon India Large Cap Fund, HDFC Top 100 Fund, SBI Bluechip Fund, DSP Top 100 Equity Fund, Edelweiss Large Cap Fund. Please note that these returns are subject to market risks, and it's always recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for taking the time to watch our videos and supporting us by liking and subscribing to our channel. We hope that the information we provide has been useful and informative for you. We would like to invite you to join our INW Club, where you can have access to even more exclusive content and resources to help you achieve your financial goals. Thank you for your watch time and see you again.